Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I withdraw from Coinbase to my bank account? The answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to verify your identity with Coinbase. This is a security measure that helps to prevent fraud. Once you've verified your identity, you can add a bank account to your Coinbase account. Once you've added your bank account, you can withdraw your funds. There are two ways to do this. Instant withdrawal, this is the fastest way to withdraw your funds. However, there is a fee associated with this method. Standard withdrawal, this is the slower way to withdraw your funds. However, there is no fee associated with this method. Once you've initiated a withdrawal, it will take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reach your bank account. Additional tips. If you're withdrawing a large amount of money, it's best to use the standard withdrawal method. This will help to avoid any potential delays. You can also withdraw your funds to a debit card or prepaid card. If you're having trouble withdrawing your funds, you can contact Coinbase customer support. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Additional information.